Hello everyone and welcome to this session and in this session we will study about the data glue which are used in a keyboard and mouse. So let's start the topic, that is a data glue. So in this paper we have proposed a system based on KL transform to recognize a different hand gesture. So data glue is on paper and we process that system to transform and recognize the different hand gesture. The data glow is generally for to identify or recognize the different hand gestures. ओके अंडरस्टैंड. डाटा ग्लो हम कहाँ पे यूज करते हैं? टू रिकॉग्नाइज द डिफरेंट हैंड गेस्चर, मतलब अलग अलग हाथ का क्या गेस्चर है, क्या डिफरेंस है, वो आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, रिकॉग्नाइज करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं डेटा ग्लो कीबोर्ड एंड माउस. तो ये एक पेपर होता है एंड वी हैव प्रपोज एंड वहाँ पे एक KL ट्रांसफॉर्म सिस्टम होती है, वहाँ पे एक KL ट्रांसफर सिस्टम होती है एंड द सिस्टम consist of five steps and it's and the system consists of five steps, that is a skin filtering. Firstly how first step is a skin filtering and second is a palm cropping. Palm means uh, हाथ हथेली बोलते हैं हम उसको. इट्स palm cropping and then age detection. If there are many ages, it detect the every age. And then feature extraction, what are the feature of extraction and classification. So data glow have system consist of five steps, that is a skin filtering, palm cropping, age detection, feature extraction and classification. Skin filtering, palm cropping, age detection, then feature extraction and classification are the five steps available in the data glow system. And data glow system have a paper and which is based on KL transform system. KL transform system, and the system consists of five steps. That is, first is a skin filtering, second is a palm cropping, and third is a age detection, and fourth is a feature extract, extraction, and last is a classification. So these are the five steps performed by the data glow. Firstly, the hand is detected using the skin filtering. Firstly, what is the function of data glow? Firstly, the hand is detected using the skin filtering. Skin filtering is the first step. In skin filtering, firstly, the hand is detected and palm cropping was performed to extract out of only the palm portion of the hand. And second step is a palm cropping, and it was performed to extract out only the palm portion of the hand. Palm portion of the hand only extract करेगा और palm cropping की जाएगी सेकेंड प्रोसेस में. And third step, the extracted image was then proposed. Sorry, the extracted image was then processed using the Canny age detection technique to extract the outline image of palm. Then the extracted image was then processed using the Canny age detection technique to extract the outline images of the palm. तो जो भी पाम के ऊपर जो आउटलाइन इमेजेस होंगी आउटलाइन, तो उनको कैनी एज डिटेक्शन से डिटेक्ट किया जाएगा और उनको फिर प्रोसेस किया जाएगा, उस इमेज को प्रोसेस किया जाएगा. आफ्टर palm extraction, the features of hand were extracted using the KL transform technique. After palm extraction, the features of hand were extracted using the KL transform technique. So after extraction of palm, the feature of hand was extracted by using the KL transform system or technique. And finally, the input gesture was recognized. And finally, the input gesture was recognized using the proper classifier. And finally, the इनपुट गेस्चर वॉज रिकॉग्नाइज, म्हणजे इनपुट कोणाचा हात होता तो ओळखला जाऊ शकतो. इन अवर सिस्टम वी हॅव टेस्टेड फॉर 10 डिफरंट हँड गेस्चर्स. आणि ह्या ज्या डेटा ग्लो सिस्टम आहेत ह्या सिस्टममधून we can test the 10 different hand gesture and recognize the rate obtained was 96%. Hence, we process an easy approach to recognize a different hand gesture. So that is important about the data glow keyboard and mouse. This system have tested 10 different hand gestures and recognize rate is very good. That is about obtained about 96%. Hence, the process we propose an easy approach to recognize a different hand gesture. So this is a very easy approach to recognize a different hand gesture. Okay, that is a data about the data glow and keyboard mouse. So remember that data glow is on paper, and we have proposed a system based on the KL transform to recognize a different hand gesture. And the system consists of 5 steps, that is skin filtering, palm cropping, age detection, feature extraction and classification. Firstly, hand is detected using the skin filtering, and second, on the palm cropping was performed to extract out only the palm portion of the hand. And third is age detection. Third step is age detection, and the age detection detects an image, and it gives the features feature extraction. After that, we can recognize the hand. This system allows us to recognize the 10 different hands, and the rate obtained was very good, that is 96%. So this is a very good approach or easy approach to recognize different hand gesture. So that is about the data glow, and this is the diagram you can see here. This is the architecture of data glow keyboard and mouse. So first step is a skin filter. Here the skin detected. After that, हैंड क्रॉपिंग टिल रिस्ट तक जो भाग है हैंड का उसको कॉपी क्रॉपिंग करता है और जो आउटर है उसको डिलीट कर देता है. देन इट कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द बाइनरी इमेज. ओके, हैंड क्रॉपिंग होने के बाद में वो बाइनरी इमेज में उसको कन्वर्ट कर देगा. बाइनरी इमेज में कन्वर्ट होने के बाद में एज डिटेक्टर क्या करेगा, उसकी एजेस डिटेक्ट करेगा. ठीक है, और जो जो फीचर्स है उनके जो जो एजेस के फीचर्स है वो फीचर्स एक्सट्रैक्ट करेगा इमेज में, और फिर उसके बाद में हम क्लासीफाई करेंगे. क्लासीफायर क्लासीफाई करेगा, और यही क्लासिफिकेशन और फीचर एक्सट्रैक्शन ये रिकॉग्नाइज करने को हेल्प करेगा. तो एट ए टाइम दिस सिस्टम कैन रिकॉग्नाइज 10 persons and this is a very easy and suitable for hand recognition hand recognition process. So you have to remember that steps. So there are 5 steps: skin filtering, hand cropping, then age detection and feature extraction. These are the 5 main important steps used in the data glow keyboard and mouse. And we have to only and again understand this system have the KL transformation system. And KL transformation system is used to recognize the different hand gestures. Okay, so that is about the data glow keyboard and mouse. I hope you will understand. So you have to again read here that topic. Then you will definitely understand this topic. So thank you for watching, and in the next session we will study about the interaction in graphics library, that is interaction in OpenGL. After that, we study about the display list and modeling, and the chapter will end it on another 2 days. Thank you for watching.